Number 2, we're going to go ahead and add some garlic powder. Now remember, we had a discussion about seasonings on Mama's 101 seasoning tutorials. You might want to check that out on YouTube, but we believe in flavoring and seasoning our meats. Now that our roast has been browned on both sides, we're going to go ahead, and this is perfect, and put it into our crock pot of onions, a bed of onions. And we're going to do the other one, and we're going to come back and continue with this part. So, after about another 10 minutes on the other side, we're going to take out this pot roast, and we're going to put it into the crock pot. Then we're going to add in all our other vegetables that we want to go in there. So stay tuned. Now, this is the drippings from our pot roast, and I'm going to show you what we do. We go ahead and add some Worcestershire sauce into this dripping skillet. And then we're going to add some garlic-flavored rice vinegar as well. Because I want all those drippings out of this pan. Go ahead and stir it on up, and we'll be back in a few minutes. Our next move is we're going to put some of those good old vegetables, chopped up vegetables at the bottom, and bring some up on top of the pot roast here. Yes, we're gonna smack it on up here, y'all. That's how we do it. Here is our pot roast, and it is completely done, and it's ready. Look how tender it is. Oh my goodness. This is going to go wonderful. This gravy that we made is going to go perfect with some rice, some brown rice, some mashed potatoes, and some vegetables. Whatever your heart desires. Don't indulge, just enjoy. Thanks for watching.